In front of me I've got Motorola Moto G71. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Pay app. In the beginning let's enter Google Pay. And from the home screen of this app you can add payment method or different types of cards. Now, if you go here you can manage all of your payment methods. Check full list of participating banks. And your full activity. Then we can go to settings, and in settings you can enable or disable email updates, Gmail imports, personalization within Google Pay. You can enable or disable purchase notifications, updates about your passes, offers and tips, and edit your account info. Then we can go to contactless setup, where you can set payment method, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Then we've got help and support, send feedback, and access to our Google account. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.